Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to introduce you to some two powerful tools that you can use on the internet to assist you to get information and content for your articles or for any other reason that you need that information for. And the first one is the Google Alert. The second one is the Google Advanced Search. So here we'll start with the Google Alert, and this is how it works. So make sure that you are connected to your internet, and then in your browser search for Google Alert. Okay, Google Alert, and then just the first hit among all the hits, you click on it, and your alert page is opened. So here you are going to type in any topic that you are interested in this search space. So for instance, if you are interested in artificial intelligence, you type artificial intelligence here, and then you click on an alert, and your artificial intelligence is added to all the alerts that you want in your Google. Now let's go back a step. Let's go to a step back and then see something here. Now when you type your artificial intelligence as the topic that you are interested in, where you want to receive contents that relates to this area, we have the show option here. So at the show option, when you click on it, there are some few questions or some few settings that you can do so that you will get an alert that suits what you want, your preference, that's to say. So the first one is, how often do you want to be given an alert? So here we have that's at most once a day. When you click on the drop down or the arrows and open this menu, you have other options there. One, for instance, is as it happens. So as at when an information is dropped onto the internet or uploaded onto the internet concerning artificial intelligence, you get an alert in your email straight away. And then we have at most once a day. So this one, you have limited the alerts to once a day. It means that you are going to have one alert per day, depending on when an information in your area of interest is put on the internet. And then we have at most once a week. So if you want the as it happens, this one you have unlimited alerts within a day or within a time frame. And then the next one is the sources. It is on automatic, but you can do something about it. If you want it from news items, that is blogs, web, videos, books, discussions, finance, whichever source that you want it from. And then the language, probably you want a different language, you can come here and then do that, but we will leave it at English. And then the region. Now the information, in which particular probably region or country do you want the information concerning artificial intelligence from? So you have the list of all the countries here, so you can choose any of them. And in our settings we have any region, so we want information on artificial intelligence from all parts of the world. That is why we have any region there. And then how many, so here we have only the best results. So here it means that Google is going to search through, it is going to sort out the best out of all the information concerning or content that relates to artificial intelligence that is put on the internet for you. However, you can also choose to say all results, whether good or bad, whether best or poor, you should get the alert.
It's 11 hours.
all results. And then the last one is deliver to. So here you put in an email where you want the alert to be delivered to. So whichever email address that you have, you can just put in there, and then your alerts will be delivered there as at when they are ready on the internet. And then you just go and say create an alert. So when you come here, you could see that my alerts, I have only one alert. It means that I have created only this alert, that is artificial intelligence. So if I'm to add another one, let's say energy, let me just type something, energy, an alert on energy, and I create an alert. Here I have two alerts. So any information concerning energy that comes to the internet will also be sent to my email, or my attention will be drawn through a message to my email. Now to the second part. The second part is the Google Advanced Search. So here you type in your advanced search. And then you click on the first hit, that is advanced search, and this will send you to the advanced search home. Good. So here you are going to restrict Google, or you are going to give some instruction to Google to make your search or the results to what you are looking for very restricted in your own way, how you want the information to be packaged for you, or the kind of information that you want in the area that you are searching the information for. So if you are interested in, probably you are looking at artificial intelligence, now, so these are the words or the area that you are interested in. Now, do you have an exact phrase that you want to put in there so that your search will be limited to that particular phrase? If there is anything like that, you put it in this column. And if you have some keywords too, or any other words that you also want, and if there are some, you are dealing with numbers, you can have a range, probably from this number to that particular number. And then when you want to narrow your results, you can do that by region, by language, last update, and other settings that we have here. So the first one, for instance, is any language. You can choose to go for a particular language, but you can leave it at any language if you don't mind. And then the region, which country that you want the information from. You can scroll through it, and then you will see the list of countries or regions that we have there. And then the last update, when you click on this one is telling you about how to search your information depending on some time frame. For instance, if you want the information on a particular topic from any time that the information was put there, depending on whether it was 1,000 years ago, 100 years, yesterday, today, or whichever year that you can think of. If you want recent information, that is the past 24 hours, you will only get information that are very current, which was just uploaded onto the internet in the past 24, within the past 24 hours. And then we have past week, past month, and then past year. You have that one too there. If you have any site or domain that you want to put the information, for instance, if you want information from domains that ends in education, which is .edu, you can put it here too as well. And then if you have some specific pages that you want to put also there, you can do the settings also here. That is in the title of the page, anywhere in the page you can put that one to there. And then one other important thing is the file format. The file format, maybe you want the searches on that particular, or the results for your search in a particular file format. Maybe you want it in Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, whichever area, or PDF, Adobe PDF. You can just choose it. So if I choose PDF, it means that all the information that will pop up after after I have finished with this and I click on advanced search, will be in PDF and no other document type. If it is Word, you have it in Word in that order. If it is Excel, you have it in Excel. Now the last important thing that I want to draw your attention to is the usage rights. For the sake of copyright, just spend some time and look at what we have here. So here we have not filtered by licenses. If you want free to use contents or free to share contents, you choose it. So any information that will come after you hit the search, you have the chance to use it for free and to share as well. And then we also have free to use or share even commercially. And then we have free to use or share or modify. You can modify this kind of information, free to use, share or modify, and even commercially. Now once you are done, you just click on the advanced search, and advanced search will do just that for you. So you realize that all the information or the results that you will get have PDF attached to it. You're going to have all your information in PDF. So this is the information I have for you in this video. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.